Hey everyone, welcome back to the coast. It's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I wanted to give a quick shout out to my friend Lori from Art Lore. She has a YouTube channel where she does these beautiful blooms and I love her color choices. So you guys, please check out her channel. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box so you guys can check it out. So the painting you're going to see today is a Bloom and Spin, and it's on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. And I'm loving these colors, you guys. This lime green color, I've really been feeling it lately. I did a swipe with it and I liked it so much, I was like, I have to do a bloom. So the formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box as usual. And if you guys are looking for a more in-depth tutorial on how I mix my paints for the blooms or the swipes, I will leave a link to the video in the description box so you guys can check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.